Now, menus are not something I usually cover in my business courses, but for trainer-trainer programs, we do tend to cover menus and hyperlinks. One of the other great things about having menus in your presentation is if you go for trade shows, exhibitions, or even interactive kiosks, or even if you're a teacher and you want to give some interactivity to your PowerPoints to some of the students and things like this. Menus using triggers and hyperlinks is a great way of doing that. Just to show you a few quick examples here, and I've also given you a downloadable file in the blog. This is just a mock-up of obviously the Apple OS X Leopard, where they're using stacks now. So I've got a series of icons here, and this acts as a universal menu. In fact, you'll see this menu on every single slide, so the menu will always appear there, and I can open and close the menu. I can select different options, and let's say I want to go to a movie file. I have subcategories here, and of course you can use additional icons or other kind of text, and I'm just going to click on this sub menu here, and that would just take me to the video. And of course, as I said, universal menus can appear at the top bar. Not all the time. They're applicable to presentations, and you might want to hide these particular menus, as I'll show you in a minute. But as I said, you can have icons, you can have text for your menus. The great thing is you can have sub-menus, and if you need to jump to particular places in your presentation, you can do so quickly. If you need to jump to your appendix or supplementary slides, you want to go back or look at several movies, these are great things to have if they're a very large presentation. And of course, if we just pick an option here, we'll go to chapter 1, and of course we'll just jump off to chapter 1. And of course our menu stays up there. We still have all those different options in our universal menu. Now, one of the other great things about menus that I like, and I use in the slide master, is sometimes I don't want the menu in my actual slide, so I'll just have a discrete little button like this, and if I need the menu at any time, what I'll do is I'll just click on the button. The menu bar will rise. You have all your different options there. You just need to click on any one of these, and these will just take you to whatever option or slide that you want to actually go to. Once you're done with it, all you need to do is press close. That will disappear off, and then you can carry on your presentation as per normal. And menus are really quite easy. They're really just using hyperlinks and triggers. And just to show you a quick example of a trigger, I'm just going to insert one quick shape. Just click, press here, and of course change color and put hello. So basically what I'm trying to do here for this animation is when I click here, this one will suddenly appear. So I'm just going to put an animation effect on hello. Just put a cheesy animation there, and go to timing. Now, when you go to timing, the most interesting one, of course, is triggers. You start the effect on that rectangle which says press here, meaning to say when you click on this one, this effect will take place. So I just click on here, and there you go. And that's really the basic mechanics of doing menus, and of course you'll use hyperlinks inside of there. Please look at the downloadable file. It's a great little file. It's not meant to be visually fantastic, but it will show you the basic mechanisms for bringing up menus and having subcategories of menus as well.